Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can draft a YouTube video script from a topic using the Claude AI. Okay, so in here we have our AI, and it's really important that you need to select the co-work function next to the chat. And now you can prepare the folder where the project will be saved. And now we need to enter the script first. So in here I have, actually first we need to do the prompt. So let's say that I'm about to simply copy the prompt to my Claude AI. And in here I have said that I'm creating a YouTube video and need a full script written in a natural conversation speaking voice. In here I'm about to select the topic, I don't know, let's say okay, and as an example, now the audience, let me only edit it a little bit. Now the tone, maybe calm and casual, something like that. Now the target length, maybe we'll do it in the minutes, let's say 5 minutes. Okay, and now we gotta, in here you can also change the efficiency. I always use the Sound 5 mode. And now let's generate, hit this arrow button and wait. We gotta keep waiting now until it's generated. Then we can also enter the second prompt, for example, to refine and tighten the script. Okay, and now we have the preview. Also, we can add that, for example, we want to shorten the text a little bit. I'm about to enter the second prompt. Okay, now we want to shorten the opening hook to 2 sentences max and make it punchier, trim the whole script to about, and here we gotta enter the target word count. Let's say, I don't know, 500 words. And now let's click on generate once again. Okay, and now let's open up the folder in which it was saved. Okay, we have it. I have selected this folder, and then simply open it up. And in here we have our ready prompt, but it has disappeared. Okay, here it is. about to do it on the full screen. And that's basically all. We have the full script generated fully by the Claude AI. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.